What if I told you you can use Google Veo Ultra for free and generate AI videos without hitting limits? Sounds crazy, right? But it's actually possible, and almost no one is talking about it. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to access it and start creating your own AI videos within minutes. And hey, if you find this useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Now make sure you don't skip any step, because one small mistake can stop the whole thing from working. Alright, let's get started. Start by opening your browser and searching for Bunny Flow. Click on the very first website that appears. Once you're on the home page, click the Get Started button to create your account. Enter your username, email and password. If you have a referral code, you can paste it here. After that, click Create Account and you'll be redirected straight to the Bunny Flow dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, scroll down a little. Here you can see that I currently have an active free trial, which lets me create unlimited AI videos using Google Veo 3.1 for 3 days. Now let me show you exactly how you can use this to generate videos step by step. To begin, we need to install an extension. Go to the left side menu and click on the extension page. Then click Download Extension and save it to your device. Now click on the extension icon in your browser and go to Manage Extensions. From the top right corner, enable Developer Mode. This step is important. Next, open the folder where you saved the extension. Drag and drop the zip file directly into your browser and it will install instantly. Once that's done, you can close this tab and go back to Bunny Flow. Now click on the extension icon again and log in using the same email and password you use for your Bunny Flow account. Make sure it's the same, otherwise this won't work. After logging in, go to the left side menu and click on Flow Access. In the prompt input box, type a simple prompt. Leave all the other settings as they are and click on Open on Google Flow. This will open Google Flow in a new tab. Now if you look at the profile section at the top, you'll notice it's already logged into an Ultra account. And just like that, you now have access to it. Now let's create a video. Click on New Project. Then click on the model settings below and choose your preferred options. But here's the important part. Make sure VEO 3.1 Lite lower priority is selected. If you choose any other model, the video won't generate. Once everything is set, let's test it. Enter a prompt to generate your video. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. Your video has been generated successfully. If you follow all these steps exactly as shown, you'll be able to use this method for 3 days and create unlimited AI generated videos without any issues. And that's it. You've now seen exactly how to access it and start generating your own AI videos step by step. If you followed everything carefully, you should be able to create videos without any issues. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the LearnUp for more simple and powerful tutorials like this. Also, if you have any questions or get stuck at any step, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.